There's my plane. There's the elderly passengers just getting off. Fire brigade here in seconds. Well drilled.
An air accident inquiry is underway after a plane crash-landed in the Isle of Man. The undercarriage collapsed as the flight from Leeds landed at the island's Ronaldsway airport.
Yes, the aircraft skidded off the runway last night. 12 passengers and 2 crew were unhurt, as Kelly Foran reports.
A lucky escape for these passengers. Looking back at this plane, they managed to somehow walk off.
We hit the runway with a big thud. All the sparks were flying up like a big firework. I thought we was going to turn over, and then it flipped back and we went onto the grass, and luckily we got out of the back door.
So you can just about see the plane still on the grass behind me here at the Isle of Man's airport. When it landed last night, the carriage underneath collapsed, and that's what led it to skid across onto the grass embankment. It is business as usual at the airport today. All 12 passengers on board and 2 crew walked off the plane safely. The aircraft was operated by Lynx Air on behalf of Isle of Man-based company Manx2.com. They say this type of aircraft has an incredibly safe track record.
I'm still seeing it now. It's one of the most frightening things I've ever experienced. I was sat right at the emergency door, but that's where all the sparks have been coming up, so there was no way I was going to try and get out there.
The plane is going to be moved into a hangar at Ronaldsway Airport for the time being. The Air Accident Investigation Branch are currently investigating to find out what caused this to happen. Kelly Foran, BBC North West Tonight, Isle of Man.